Hello, YouTube. This is Jacob from HeyJX. It's really late. I just can't go to sleep. Well, today what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to basically make a song, like this song. Hold on. This song. Okay, that song. I'll put the link of the song in the description, or just like the title of it. So what we are going to do today, it's going to be really simple, is what you want to do is basically go to the end, hold control, and like in the middle, until you see like a wavy sign under where it was. So you hold that, and then you drag it. Doesn't matter where, you can play with it for a little bit. This isn't what yet, but hold on. That's just making it really faster. And what you need to do now is go to properties and then lock stretch. And now look. And this right here, moving this around, will not do anything. Yeah, it won't do anything. That is basically all you do. So this is Jacob Merkel saying goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. See ya. Bye. Okay, I'm done now. Bye.